Hello there, children. How are you today? Welcome to another fun learning week. Today we will have another consonant, and this is letter N. Great. Again, what is the name of this letter? This is letter N. What is the sound of letter N? Letter N, letter N. What is the sound of letter N? Everybody, you say What's the sound of letter N? Very good. It's Now let me see if you can find all the letter N. Try to find the big and small letter N's here now. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if your answers are all correct. Ta-da! Did you find them all? Great job, children. I know you did it. Okay. How about writing of the letter N? Let us follow with our pointer finger. Put our finger up now and let us follow all the arrows. Arrow down. Ooh, from top to bottom. Again. Ooh, and then a slanting line from top here going down. Ooh, and another vertical line or a line going down. Ooh, one more time. 1, 2, and 3. How about the small one? From the middle, you will make another vertical line going down. 1, and then a curved line. 2. One more time. Ooh, and then ooh. Were you able to do it? Great job, children. This time, I will show you examples of things with beginning sound. Are you ready? Let us begin. Net. Net. Nail. Nail. I have another kind of nail here in the next picture. You take a look at this one. Nail. That is in our fingers. Can you take a look at your fingernails? Great. So you have your nails there that you need to trim every now and then, and you have to keep them clean. Okay, that's nail. Nest. Nest. What animal stays on the nest? Very good. The birds. They are living in the nest. How about this next picture? Necklace. Necklace. Do you have a necklace? Wow, great. So that is so nice. Nose. Nose. Where is your nose? Great. So you have your nose for smelling. Neck. Neck. Okay, next, necktie. You say necktie. Nurse. Nurse. Nuts. Nuts. Numbers. Numbers. Needle. Needle. The needle is being used in sewing our clothes. Very good. So none. None. Night. Night. What do we do at night? Yes, we sleep and have our rest. How about the next picture? Note. Note. This is very important in singing songs. Next is notebook. Notebook. Do you have your notebook? Great. Narwhal. Narwhal. Wow, maybe others just saw this one for the first time. This is a narwhal that lives in the See, those are just some of the pictures with beginning sounds. And now let me see if you had learned. Can you put a check on the object that begins with sound? Let me see. You choose. Is it slippers or necklace? Slippers or necklace? Correct! It's the necklace. You have 1 star for that. Yay! How about in here? Is it net or butterfly? Net or butterfly? Correct! It's a net. And you have how many stars? You're right! You got 2 stars for that. Yay! Is it hamster or notebook? Hamster or notebook? You are correct! It's the notebook! And how many stars do you have? What do you think? Yes, correct! You got 4 stars for that! And it seems that you really listened to your teacher. You did a great job today, kids! Now, we have learned about what letter? This letter N that says don't forget the sound of that letter, children, because with that, we would be able to read. Thank you so much for listening today, children. God bless you. Bye.